Move-in ready. New floors and fresh coat of paint throughout. Ranch home great as a starter home or downsizing. Tons of space. Oversized garage, 2 large bedrooms, large walk-in closets in both bedrooms. Primary bedroom has 2 walk-in closets and ensuite. 2 full-size bathrooms. Enclosed porch for additional space, perfect as a workout area or just a nice sitting room. Upgraded gas stove and convection oven/microwave over the range, saving space on your kitchen counters. Skylights in the cathedral ceiling allow tons of light into the main living space, making it feel open and spacious.